have been trying to make Tanghulu video for such a long time. I've tried it with oranges, with bananas, apple, kiwi, and grapes. But unfortunately, the first time I tried it, it didn't really harden up. Today, I'm gonna try it with strawberry and see if it's going to work. Here are the strawberries I'm going to use for today. Ensure you have washed and thoroughly dried the fruit before you put them on a skewer. It's entirely up to you as to how many strawberries you want on a skewer. In my case, I have used 1 fruit per stick. In this procedure, I have noticed it works best on a whole, rounded, semi-rounded fruit with sort of skin on, like grapes, strawberries, or even blueberries. And you can use oranges for this too. Just make sure you take the peel off and not to cut them in segments, otherwise it won't work. It took me about 3 attempts before I got the mixture right. And now my strawberries are ready. We're going to add sugar and water in a pan and simmer on a low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it reaches to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. So you're definitely going to need a thermometer for this to get the correct candy consistency of the syrup. Otherwise, it will not harden up and you're going to end up with a rubbery texture. As you can see, there it is, 300 degrees. This is the interesting part of this procedure. You need to be quick in dipping the strawberries in the mixture before the syrup cools down. It is successful, guys. Look, as you can hear. See? It has gone candied. I think I've done it. Oh, my first ever successful Tanghulu. Hope you enjoy watching my video. I'm gonna enjoy eating this one.